The leading cough liquid only provides relief for 4 hours. But did you know there's a product that lasts for 12 hours? Try Delsym 12-Hour Cough Liquid. Its advanced formula works by immediately releasing powerful medicine that acts fast, while its extended-release medicine lasts for 12 hours. In fact, Delsym lasts 3 times longer than the leading cough liquid. For all-day or all-night relief, try Delsym, the #1 doctor-recommended 12-hour cough liquid. This has been MediFacts for Delsym.